Welcome students. In this video, let us again talk about the basics of or the fundamentals of differentiation. This fundamental rule is called as product rule because we'll be using this rule many number of times to differentiate different types of functions. What is product rule? As the name itself indicates, the given function is in the form of the product of two functions. Y is the given function, U is first function, V is second function. Now you see here that U and V are multiplied. That means we are taking the product of U and V. But to apply product rule, we should always follow one important rule, condition rather to say. The function, first function U, if it is a function of x, then the second function should also be a function of x. You see x and x here. Supposing V is g of z, then x is different, z is different. That means to say U is f of x, V is g of z. That means both U and V are not functions of x. One is function of x and another is function of z. Now in that case you cannot use product rule. Now what is product rule? As we have already learnt. Now differentiating with respect to x, I write it as dw or dx. dy by dx, I am writing the mathematical form of the product rule. First function u into differential coefficient of second function, that is d by dx of v. d by dx of v is differential coefficient of second function, plus second function as it is, that is v to be written as it is, into differential coefficient of first function, that is u. So you can now write it as u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the product rule. Here what is u? I will call u as the first function. In short form, I write it as f dot f, first function, and v as second function. And what is dv by dx? dv by dx is the differential coefficient of second function. Differential coefficient, short form is dc. Let's take it in that way. d by dx of second function, because v is second function. And what is du by dx? It is differential coefficient of first function. That means dc of f dot f. So if you put it in that way, now how do you remember product rule? dy by dx is first function into, that is into differential coefficient of second function plus second function, v is second function, into differential coefficient of first function. So in terms of words, you can remember product rule like this. Mathematically, product rule is dy by dx equals u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now if you want to remember this in terms of words, then product rule can be stated as first function into differential coefficient of second function plus second function into differential coefficient of first function. This you should always remember. I repeat once again, how is product rule stated? First function into differential coefficient of second function plus second function into differential coefficient of first function. Okay, so in the next video I will illustrate some important problems of the application of product rule.